Hello strangers, long time no see. So there's going to be new front back groups. They could be the same, I don't know, for sets 49 through 52. This video is for G16, 19, 10, 3, 4, 24, 6, 11, 9, 8, and 12. If you're not one of those numbers, you need to watch the other video. So this is the front woodwind group. You guys are the woodwinds. The other video is going to be the back brass group. All right, so this is for the people in the front. All right, so in our old show, we had that 17, 18, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's going to stay, right? Nothing's changing about that. This next part, you guys are going to be facing back, right, for the next 4 8s, for most of it. So after we go to cradle, you lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do a slight contraction. 5, 6, 7, 8, leading with the top of the head, lifting up nice and tall, keeping this arm at an upper 45. For this next set, set number 50, you're going to lift up. 1, 2, 3, grab 4. All right. So my free arm, it goes to flat. 1, 2, 3, grab 4. Up 1, down 2, up 3, grab 4. From here, we're going to push towards side 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do a cone, left, right, side 1, side 2. Right? Set number 51. Is that 51? Yeah, next set, 51. We're going to do a slow motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, slowly to a right slam. Push the bottom tape. 5, 6, 7, 8. Over on count 7, 8. Right? And make sure on that push through, contract, release the head, and then lift up, right, to the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Set 52. We're going to lift up. 1, 2. Both thumbs over. We're going to do a vertical turn. 3, 4, 5. You're going to do a turn all the way to side 2. And you're going to be flat, and you're going to come across 6, 7, 8 to face the front. All right, so that last set again. You're going to lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, flat. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this is where we'll start the ensemble stuff. So last time. So we'll go 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, grab 4, 5, 6, left, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, flat. 5, 6, 7, 8.